Hello, my name is Christina Fox, and in this video I want to start altering some of these little boxes. I've got hopefully some good ideas, and one of the things I want to do is I want to cover one of them in leaves. So I've been soaking these in glycerin, so I want to decorate that with leaves. A second one, I want to make it look as if it's made with dragon skin, so I need scales on it. And it seems one of the ways you can do that is to use eggshells. So I've been saving up all eggshells from cooking and clean those off. So that's what the second box will be. So it should hopefully look sort of like dragon skin. The third one, I'm going to try and make it look kind of metallic. And I've been testing things out, and I think I can sort of paint this to look like copper. And that, you know, that colour that copper goes, that sort of, it's called verdigris. It's a lovely sort of greeny blue sort of change that copper has. So I thought I might try that on the third box. And the idea is all of these will go into my apothecaries drawing room for Halloween. I've also got as well these little skulls that I've made, and I'll do that in a separate video on how I made those. So that's these little guys, and I'm really pleased with those. They look really good. And you can paint them all different colours. So this one I've sort of painted to look kind of metallic and slightly verdigris. So that will probably go on that box. I may do something with these, I'm not sure. And if I eat more cheese, then I'll have some more boxes, because these little boxes I haven't, they're nothing special. I just got these in the supermarket. And if you go and have a look in your cheese section of your supermarket, you'll probably find cheeses in these little sort of either cardboard boxes or wooden boxes. Now the problem is this one is cardboard, and if I just paint it, I think it will distort. So, and I know that because when I did this book, if you look and see, look, it doesn't really shut anymore. And that's because the paint that I put on it sort of soaked in, and then as it dried, it's distorted the book. So I'm gonna have to find some way of sort of clamping that down, sort of closing it. And I don't want these to distort. So what I'll do is cover them first in gesso. So gesso is really a kind of a glue with a texture in it. Now I've made my own gesso just to save some money, and all it is PVA glue and talcum powder, the cheapest talcum powder I could find. And I followed some recipes that I saw on other YouTube videos. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to one of those so you can see how to make it as well. Once it's dry, then I'll do a coat of paint, and I'll probably just paint them all black, I think, to start off with, because that'll just help to cover all the writing and branding that's on them already, because obviously there's quite a fair bit on these. So that's what I'm going to do to begin.